2 questions. I have a Generac 4000 EXL model 1645-0, almost 10 years old, with a starter battery that won't hold charge. Where can I get battery part number I7079Gs or equivalent? I plan on using this generator via a Generac Load Transfer switch. Does this generator require a neutral isolation kit such as Generac Model 6297 to isolate the utility and generator neutrals?
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer for the solution to your problem. My name is XXXXXX I am going to assist you with this. Yes, you will either need a switched neutral kit, or have an electrician unbond the neutral at the genset. If unbonding the neutral, you must use a separate grounding rod on the genset. Here are a couple of places where you can get a replacement battery: http://www.ocbatteries.com/P8897 Vision CP121000 SF2 Briggs & Stratton 187,079 grams generator battery. Asks http://www.batteriesbliss.com/product/39820WKA1210 F2 worker 12 volts 10 Ah battery with F2 terminal /57605700 toy batteries /684634 Peg Perego /Vespa scooter. Asks please remember to rate me 3 or higher, or reply to me if you need further help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.